Instagram's hottest cyberstar is dismantling human connections and promoting dangerous social isolation. With over 2.7 million followers, Little Miquela earns over $10 million each year without even being a real human. In 2016, a startup called Brud created Little Miquela from scratch as an experiment on social platforms, but she took on a life of her own, captivating millions of fans with her stylish outfits, artsy photos, and posts highlighting social causes. Named one of Time's most influential people on the internet, Miquela collaborates with brands like Calvin Klein and Prada, while even releasing her own music on Spotify. Despite her lifelike Instagram presence, she has no real body, no real face, and no real personality. Could these artificially manufactured influencers displace the real ones in the future? Would you follow a virtual influencer? Don't forget, if you love AI, I'm the guy.